Hello everyone, we are going to check out the exercise of chapter number 5th, oral question. Read these words aloud. Strange, ignore, proclaimer, physician, alternative. First, talk about the daily routine of the king before he is treated by Suresh. Answer: the king lay on the bed all the day. He ate more than required and did not exercise at all. Second number, why do you think tom-toms were used in olden days? Answer: tom-toms were used in olden days because there were no other means to convey messages or pass on information. MCQs. First, the king fell ill because of, answer is D, not exercising and overeating. Second number, who was Suresh? Answer is B, a farmer. Read and answer. First, what was the announcement made by the royal proclaimer? Why was such an announcement made? Answer: the royal proclaimer made an announcement the king is ill. The person who cures him will get a reward. It was not an ordinary illness. It was an illness, the medicine for which was not known to the royal physician. Second number, how does Suresh prepare himself to treat the king? Answer: Suresh stopped shaving his mustache and beard. When his uncut mustache and beard grew long, he went straight to the royal court. Dear students, third number we have to cancel. Now come on, think and answer. First, why does the king sleep for the whole day after the first day of treatment? Answer: the king slept for the first day of a treatment because he was not used to exercise and was very tired of walking from the palace to the tree. Second number, why did the king have no other alternative but to accept Suresh's condition? Answer: the king did not have any other alternative but to accept Suresh's condition because even the royal physician had no cure for his illness. Third number, why do you think Suresh asked the king to chew leaves from the neem tree? Answer: Suresh asked the king to chew leaves from a neem tree because the king would have had to walk and do physical exercise, which he was sure was the cure for the king's illness. In the bracket, it is written that the neem leaves are useful in losing weight, killing germs, and curing various diseases. 4 number, look at the pictures and match them with days of the treatment. So dear students, answer will come like this. The first day of treatment, this picture will come. After 15 days of treatment, this second picture will come, and this after 30 days of treatment, this picture will come. Fifth number, it is an illness the medicine for which is not even known to the royal physician. Why did this happen? Answer: this happened because there is no medicine to cure overeating and lack of exercise. 6 number, do you think health is important for us? Give at least 2 reasons to support your answer. Answer: good health is very important for us. It keeps us happy and we can do our work easily. Reference to context, you have to do what I tell you to do. A number, who said this and to whom? Answer: this was said by Suresh to the king. A number, who said this and to whom? Answer, this was said by Suresh to the king. B number, what does the speaker tell the listener to do? Answer, Suresh tells the king to pluck 5 neem leaves every morning from a particular tree. C number, what does the speaker say these words? C number, why does the speaker say these words? Answer, Suresh said this to cure the king of illness. D number, what happened next? Answer, the king started following Suresh's advice and got better. Word quiz, find the pair of opposites from the given words. Answer, thin, fat, small, tall. Dear students, here we have completed the whole exercise. Please write it down one time in the notebook. This is your homework. Okay, thank you.